What does a typical day look like in your job?
I'm a documentary filmmaker, and also I work at Cambridge Community Television to run youth media programs. But a lot of the work that I do is kind of verite documentary filmmaking. Have you guys heard of this term?
No.
Not really.
That's okay. It's almost like vloggy, like you're following real people in their real lives. In that case, my schedule would depend a lot on the person that I'm following and their schedule. For example, maybe like I would follow like a mom in the morning, like getting ready with her kids and then going to work, having dinner with their family. I guess most recently I was doing a film with MIT D-Lab. They're a group at MIT who does like design and development education work all over the world. And their idea is like to teach them to identify problems in their community and then give them the skills to actually design and make things that will solve it. So like, for example, if there's a family that doesn't have an oven, then the MIT D-Lab's philosophy is to teach them how to go through the design process and design and actually build an oven and like cut the metal and like weld it and like have this thing that they made with their own hands. So I spent like around 6 months filming in Uganda and Tanzania, documenting different stories that came from those kind of workshops. And that was like really rewarding just to spend time with innovators in Uganda and Tanzania. And I feel like connecting like across cultures was like a really great challenge and humbling experience and good reminder that like even if we're coming from different places, yeah, we can share like wanting a better future, right, for our families and for our communities. So